Hey there, folks! Welcome back to For Real, your go-to channel for all tech, tips, and tricks. I'm your friendly host, Anna. Today we've got a hot topic for you iPhone users out there. Ever noticed your iPhone screen dimming even when you've turned off auto brightness? Frustrating, right? Well, you're not alone. For that reason, we're diving deep into why this happens and, more importantly, how to fix it. All right, let's jump right in. So, picture this. You're using your iPhone and suddenly the screen starts to dim for no apparent reason. It can be super annoying, but fret not. We've got some solutions for you. Let's get started. The first step in solving this mystery is to disable two sneaky culprits: auto brightness and true tone. These settings can mess with your display without you even realizing it. Here's how to do it. 1. Go to your iPhone's settings. 2. Select display and brightness. 3. Tap on true tone and toggle it off. 4. Then go back to settings, select accessibility. 5. Now find display and text size and disable auto brightness. Hi again to my lovely viewers. Before we continue, don't forget to hit that like button if this video helps you out. Subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and ring that notification bell so you won't miss any of our awesome content. Now, on to the rest of the video. If the issue persists, try turning off low power mode and check the results. You may want to disable night shift as well. In order to turn off low power mode, follow these steps. 1. Open the settings app on your iPhone. 2. Scroll down and tap battery. 3. Tap the toggle next to low power mode to the off position. If you're trying to figure out how to turn off night shift, here are the steps you need to take. 1. Open the settings app on your iPhone. 2. Scroll down and tap display and brightness. 3. Scroll down again and tap night shift. 4. Make sure that the scheduled and manually enable until tomorrow toggles are turned off. 5. Tap the back button in the top left corner to save the changes. With both of these disabled, you should be able to prevent your iPhone from dimming screen brightness automatically any longer. Did you know that your iPhone can dim its screen when it gets too hot to prevent hardware damage? It's true. Here's what you can do if your iPhone heats up. 1. Force stop all background apps. 2. Remove any protective case that might be causing overheating. 3. Wait until your iPhone cools down naturally. 4. You can also speed up the cooling process by turning off your iPhone completely. Sometimes unexpected software glitches can cause your screen to misbehave. So always make sure your iPhone is running the latest iOS updates. 1. Go to Settings. 2. Tap on General. 3. Select Software Update and check for any available updates. And there you have it, folks. If your iPhone screen keeps dimming with auto brightness off, try these steps to regain control. We hope this video has been helpful. And if it did, please hit that like button, subscribe for more tech goodness, and drop a comment to share your thoughts or any other issues you'd like us to tackle. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next one.